Elon Musk confirmed that Tesla is going to dramatically increase production in 2023, Model 3 and Model Y. Welcome back to EV Nation. Tesla is no stranger to making waves in the car industry, and its latest move is no exception. Tesla has recently announced plans to ramp up the production of its electric vehicles. This news has been met with excitement and anticipation, as Tesla has been a leader in the electric car market for years. At the same time, Tesla has made great strides in the industry, and this move is about to scale up dramatically. Join us as we dive into the fascinating world of Elon Musk and Tesla. As many of you know, Tesla has been working hard to ramp up production of its electric vehicles, particularly the Model 3 and Model Y. According to recent tweets from CEO Elon Musk, the company is about to take things to the next level. "We're very pedal to the metal, come rain or shine," Musk said. "We will do whatever it takes to ramp up production, even in a recession." But before we go any further, don't miss out on your chance to win a $50 gift card. As a special incentive for our subscribers, we're offering monthly giveaways of $50 gift cards to those who comment on our videos. So if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscription. Tesla is planning to dramatically increase its production in 2023 and 2024. And it's clear that the company is committed to doing whatever it takes to make it happen. Luckily, Elon Musk has some tricks up his sleeve. He has previously stated his goal of getting 20% of Texas's vehicles to be Teslas. However, so far, this goal has yet to be achieved. In mid-2022, about 123,000 electric vehicles were on the road in Texas. While Tesla already has a significant presence in the Texas electrical vehicle market, Musk's goal is to disrupt the entire vehicle industry. Currently, electric vehicles make up less than 1% of the vehicles on the road in Texas, so achieving a 20% market share will be a major undertaking. This is why scalability is so important for Tesla. To truly challenge traditional gasoline-powered cars, the company needs to be able to produce millions of electric vehicles at a fast pace. Of course, this is not something that can be accomplished overnight. You have to first understand that this transition will require a lot of commitment, technology, and investment. Fortunately, Tesla has all of these qualities and is fully committed to tackling this challenge head-on. With the recent opening of the Giga Texas factory, the goal of getting millions of Teslas on the roads in Texas may be closer than we think. According to Tesla CEO Elon Musk, a global recession is on the horizon and could last until spring 2024. However, despite this economic downturn, Musk plans to ramp up production at the company. These comments come just a few days after Musk declared Tesla to be recession resilient. It's clear that Musk is confident in the company's ability to weather any economic storm and is committed to pushing forward with its production plans. Despite the potential global recession, Tesla is confident in its ability to weather the storm and continue ramping up production. One reason for this is the company's strong financial reserve, which has grown to around $21 billion in cash and short-term investments since the end of September. This is up from around $16 billion the previous year. According to Tesla Chief Financial Officer Zach Kirkhorn, this financial buffer allows the company to be aggressive in its approach to ramping up production at its electric vehicle manufacturing plants. These plants, located in Fremont, Shanghai, Berlin, and Austin, Texas, are responsible for the production of the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y, and employ a total of 22,000 people. Despite the challenges ahead, it seems that Tesla is well prepared to continue pushing forward and driving innovation in the electric vehicle industry. But exactly how does Tesla intend to ramp up production in such a short amount of time? The organization is implementing cutting-edge robotics to improve the production process's efficiency. Tesla utilizes a wide variety of robots to carry out activities manually carried out by people, such as welding, painting, and assembly. Not only does this help cut down on time and work required to create each car, but it also enables the organization to maintain high quality and precision throughout the production process. Tesla is constantly innovating in the field of robotics and the materials and procedures utilized in the production of its vehicles. The company will be capable of improving the effectiveness and performance of its vehicles and reducing the amount of waste they produce if they can develop new, stronger, lighter, and more durable materials. Tesla's primary goal is streamlining the manufacturing process, contributing significantly to the company's capacity to increase production. By applying lean manufacturing concepts and optimizing each step of the process, the company can build more automobiles in a shorter amount of time while also reducing the amount of waste produced. Supply chain management is another area that Tesla has focused a lot of its attention on improving. The company can ensure that its manufacturing facilities have access to all necessary components and materials by maintaining close relationships with its suppliers and improving its logistics process. Tesla has been making waves in the electric vehicle industry for years. But what exactly are the main subjects that the company is focusing on? According to CEO Elon Musk, the main goals for Tesla are to scale the company to extreme size to shift humanity away from fossil fuels and to advance artificial intelligence technology. But it's not just about electric vehicles for Musk and Tesla. The company is also working on exciting projects in space travel with SpaceX and infrastructure with The Boring Company. These ventures, combined with the company's efforts in the electric vehicle industry, are helping position Tesla as a leader in innovation and sustainability. Have you ever stopped thinking about how fast Tesla can produce cars? While other car manufacturers may take months or even years to roll out a new model, Tesla seems to be able to do it in a fraction of the time. But how much faster is Tesla able to produce cars than other brands? The answer may surprise you. According to recent reports, Tesla can produce a new car model in a few weeks. This contrasts with traditional car manufacturers, who can take upwards of a year or more to bring a new model to market. It also comes down to their innovative production processes and advanced manufacturing technologies by utilizing robotics and automation in their factories. Tesla can streamline their production process and eliminate any of the bottlenecks that slow down traditional car production. They are also able to make quick changes to their production line, allowing them to pivot and respond quickly to market demand. SpaceX and Tesla are known for their innovative and forward-thinking approaches, which can be seen in their manufacturing tactics. These companies use lean manufacturing principles to optimize value and minimize waste in their production processes. By continuously improving and eliminating non-value-added activities, they can streamline their production and improve efficiency. But that's not all. Both SpaceX and Tesla also utilize robotics and automation in their factories to further increase efficiency and reduce the need for manual labor. For instance, robots assemble electric vehicles at Tesla and rocket engines at SpaceX. And when it comes to prototyping and manufacturing components, both companies turn to 3D printing to quickly iterate on designs and produce parts on demand. Just-in-time production is another tactic used by both companies to avoid excess inventory and reduce waste. By implementing these innovative manufacturing tactics, SpaceX and Tesla have successfully solidified their reputation as forward-thinking companies. The innovative manufacturing tactics used by SpaceX and Tesla have contributed to their success and reputation as forward-thinking companies. Achieving such high levels of efficiency and producing cars so quickly is an impressive feat all on its own. But what's even more impressive is how Tesla can maintain this speed and efficiency while achieving record-breaking quality in their vehicles. The Tesla scale-up production process can revolutionize the automotive industry. With its unique combination of automation, advanced robotics, and cutting-edge manufacturing processes, Tesla's approach to scaling up production has proven incredibly efficient and reliable. In addition to providing a sustainable and profitable way of producing cars in large numbers, it also reduces waste and empowers companies to produce vehicles at an unprecedented speed. By understanding and applying the principles behind the Tesla scale-up production process, businesses can take their production processes to the next level. Here we come to the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed learning about this exciting development in the Tesla industry. But before we go, kindly let us know your thoughts on Tesla's move to increase production. What do you think this means for the electric car market? Do you have any predictions for the future of EVs? And, most importantly, which retailer's gift card would you choose if you won? We can't wait to see what our viewers have to say. So don't be shy. Let your thoughts be heard, and maybe you'll be the lucky recipient of a gift card. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the comments section.